Welcome back, YouTube. It's a Sunday, soggy, rainy-ass day. I'm at the shop. I had a leaky sunroof on my F-150, and I got a bunch of parts for the Sequoia, made in Taiwan headlight assemblies. I just finished installing this side. The corner light assembly came with brand new sockets and bulbs. I upgraded the headlight to a LED. And the fitment is actually pretty good on both. There's a little bit of a gap here and it's tight there, and I'm not going to fart around with it, but this came out great. So I went with C-Light. I ordered LEDs for these, anti-hyper flash. I didn't think about it originally. The headlights came with brackets. It also came with a new bulb inside of here. These are pretty much trash. You can see the condition of them. Cracked. Now it looks brand new. So the other side is a little plastic push pin right here. 10 mil, 10 mil, 10 mil. Once you get this little push clip out, let's see if it'll cooperate. Everything is so old on this thing. 280,000 miles, original motor and transmission. And then this thing will slide right out. If you break it, don't worry about it, because if you're upgrading your lights, there's nothing to worry about. So I wasn't worried about it because I'm changing this stuff. It should slide right out. There you go. So kind of get the gist of it. So the new ones come with new sockets and bulbs. This one here came with new boot and bulb. But like I said, I have upgraded bulbs for the headlights. I have new fog lights too. I didn't get bulbs for that. Over here. I didn't take it out of the box yet. So pretty simple job. I didn't want to really restore them because I've done so much work to this truck to make it beautiful again. But pretty simple job for you guys. And I think I got everything from Amazon. Yeah, everything came from Amazon. And then you got a 10 mil here, 10 mil there, two 10 mils there, slide it out. You'll see the plug and boot adapter. Pretty simple to do. Thanks for watching.